This broke off a while ago, and I was doing a double chair lounge camping chair. I went outside by the sand, and luckily it was in the car. Not sure how it came off. I'm not sure how we're going to get it on. But I have to take glue. I have to push this down somehow, like so. And then I got to apply some weight, and hopefully it won't glue onto the thing. It kind of looks like it's just pressured on there by little pinpoints. Well, I'm not a fan of doing this. The least glue, the best. So here we go. That's it. Don't need any more than that. I can let that dry. But here we go. I'm going to simply just feel for it. Press it down. Takes 2 hours to hold on to this. So what do I got that I could put some weight? I don't know. I really don't know. Can I put a screwdriver and let it lay? Good luck, man. I gotta find something that's going to weigh down. So I think I am gonna do one of these. Turn my camera around. Lay it on the table, and you can see how easily it came off. So I know this is going to take time to figure out how to get that on there. I don't want it to stick to anything else. I don't need any more glue than that. So I am just going to hold it. I could put a clamp on it, and that's what I'm going to go do. So this is a Craftsman clamp. It may open up a little wider, I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh yeah. Squeeze it on, baby. Just enough pressure to hold it. Put it into place. If I need to still use my camera, I can do so. So I'm going to come back tomorrow. That's the glue. That glue holds just fine. More than 2 hours, so we know it's curing overnight. I get my door open. And I'm able to use it, but you can see how poorly that's made, that it kind of now felt like it's ripped, the design. But at least my door's open, it's holding, and that's why it looked like a rip, because it's a very small tab. The glue held. I'm happy. So here I am, getting my cable in, plugging it on. You hear the ding. You hear the files going. Do whatever I want. And I got my power. I'm good to go. Thank you, Sony, for making the best camera around.